Welcome back to the New Student Advising online workshop. We're in the home stretch. This is the last required module in the series, so give yourself a pat on the back for making it this far. You totally deserve it. This video will show you how to connect with your academic advisors. To start, we're going to visit the Advising Guide website, which is at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/advising. This website has several options to look for your major. If you know which category it's in, you can select that category from the options on the homepage. Otherwise, there's a link in the menu bar for the complete A to Z list of majors that Manoa offers. Once you find the major you're looking for, click on the link to see your advisor's contact information and how they prefer for appointments to be booked. There are several reasons to meet with your academic advisor at this stage. 1. You can double-check your schedule with them to ensure that you're on the right track. 2. You can talk about long-term academic planning. And 3. Any paperwork that you might need signed, including for financial aid or VA, might require you to meet with them and get a signature. This advising guide will mainly show you how to book with your college advisor. You might have a separate major advisor. If you do, your college advisor will refer you to them. You might also have another advisor for a special program, such as athletics, the honors program, pre-med or pre-law, TRIO student support services, or ROTC. To see a complete list of all of the special programs, scroll down to the bottom of the Advising Guide website and look at the gray footer for their contact information. Thank you so much for completing the New Student Advising online workshop. I hope that these modules have been very helpful for you. Now that you've figured out your advisor's contact information, be sure to schedule an appointment to meet with them if you have any questions, and complete the workshop evaluation so we can continue to improve on it for years to come. As a reminder, there are a few optional modules as well, including a Laulima tutorial and information about really important on-campus resources, so be sure to check those out as well. And with that, I bid you farewell and hope to see you around at Manoa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our modules and helpful content by clicking the link in the video description or by visiting our website at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/newstudentadvising/online. If you have questions along the way, we're here for you. Contact new.advising@hawaii.edu.